On 14th May 2025, Jupiter returns to Gemini, and for those with natal Jupiter in the 10th house, this marks a major calming shift in your professional life, public image, and ambitions. This is the cosmic spotlight moment where the hard work, decisions, and dedication of the past 12 years begin to show their true results. The 10th house is all about career, reputation, leadership, and the legacy you are building. Jupiter's return here can bring promotions, recognition, new career directions, or opportunities to step into a more meaningful role. When Jupiter comes within plus minus 5 degrees of your natal Jupiter, it supercharges your potential, bringing clarity, success, and even a bit of divine guidance towards your professional goals. Gemini's influence adds a flavor of communication, adaptability, and intellect. So, your success might come through writing, teaching, media, business communication, or anything that involves mental agility and connection. This is the time to embrace your vision, refine your goals, and set strong intentions for the next 12-year cycle of growth and leadership. The universe is asking, what legacy do you want to leave behind? When Jupiter transits over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the 10th house, the expansive energy of Jupiter combined with the air element of Gemini and the rulership of Mercury brings a significant focus on career, public image, authority, and long term goals. The 10th house governs your professional life, reputation, and the way you are perceived in the public eye. This transit can bring major opportunities for growth, recognition, and success in your career, as well as help you expand your professional network. Jupiter's energy in the 10th house will encourage career advancement, often bringing opportunities for promotion, leadership roles, or increased visibility in your professional field. The Gemini influence enhances your communication skills, making it an excellent time to network, connect, and promote your ideas. You may find that your ability to express yourself clearly and effectively brings you the attention of influential people, which can be a catalyst for career progression. Whether you work in education, media, marketing, technology, or any other field that involves communication, Jupiter's transit through this house amplifies your chances for growth in these areas. If you have been working toward a career goal or project, this transit could mark a turning point where things start to align, bringing success and recognition. Your public image and how you are perceived by others will also see a boost during this time. Jupiter's expansive energy helps you project a more confident, charismatic, and inspiring image. This could make you more attractive to potential employers, clients, or collaborators as your energy and presence seem to draw people towards you. The Gemini influence makes you more adaptable and open-minded in your approach to professional relationships, allowing you to make connections with variety of people from different backgrounds. You might find that your communication and networking skills are a key part of your career success during this transit. For those in leadership positions or aiming for such roles, Jupiter's energy in the 10th house can bring a sense of wisdom and authority that others will look to. The Gemini influence will encourage you to take a more innovative and flexible approach to your leadership, allowing you to connect with others in a more dynamic way. You may also feel more inspired to share your knowledge or mentor others, which can have a significant impact on both your career and personal growth. This is an excellent time for public speaking, teaching, or mentoring, as your ideas and insights will be well received. On a personal level, this transit offers an opportunity to align your career goals with your long term vision. You may feel more driven to take steps toward achieving your professional aspirations and creating a legacy that reflects your true values. Jupiter's expansive energy in Gemini encourages you to think broadly about your career and how you can make a positive impact in your field. Your long term plans may start to take shape more clearly during this time, and you might gain a new sense of purpose or direction in your professional life. However, with the mutable nature of Gemini, there can be potential challenges related to scattered focus or indecisiveness. While Jupiter is expanding your opportunities, the Gemini energy can make it difficult to commit to a single path or direction. You may find yourself juggling multiple projects or career possibilities, leading to overextension or a lack of clarity about where to focus your energy. It's important to stay grounded and avoid getting distracted by too many options during this time. Having a clear vision of your career goals and sticking to them will ensure that the expansive energy of Jupiter works in your favor. Another potential challenge during this transit is the temptation to overestimate your capabilities or make overly optimistic promises. Jupiter's expansive nature can sometimes lead to overconfidence or exaggerated expectations, so be mindful of biting off more than you can chew. While you have the potential for great growth, it's important to stay realistic and set achievable goals to avoid disappointment. In conclusion, Jupiter's transit over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the 10th house will bring significant career growth, public recognition, and professional opportunities. The combination of Jupiter's expansive energy, Gemini's intellectual and communicative qualities, and Mercury's adaptability makes this an excellent time for advancing in your career, improving your public image, and making valuable connections. Your leadership and communication skills will be key assets, allowing you to rise in your profession. However, be mindful of the mutable Gemini energy as it can lead to distractions or overcommitment. By maintaining focus and staying grounded, you can harness the power of this transit to achieve great success and long term fulfillment in your career.